Hi, I have the Bidet HD-7000 that I bought from Home Depot 2 years ago. Recently, I found I have the issue with the low water pressure. I contacted with the manufacturer and I tried the method that they gave me, but it is not really working in my case. So I prepared some slides here and I want to show you what I did. I think you may have the same issue, and I like to show you what I did, and I hope that can help you solve the same issue. So this is the model that I have, and then so first thing what I did to remove the unit from the toilet, and so as the introduction on the right side, the unit push down, so there's a button just to push inside, and meanwhile pull the unit in front of you, and then you can remove out the unit. So this is all what I have. So the red button actually on here, right? You will see from the introduction as a manufacturer menu. And after that, when you moved out the unit, you will see there's two screw on the side. So we need to open this unit. And so first thing, unscrew those two. And then after that, I turn the unit on the other side. So there are still some we need to do in order to open this box. So it's labeled in the right color, the circle. So the 1, 2, and 3. So what I did, I used a screwdriver and to take this out a little bit, but be careful because this is plastic. And then remove this out. You see the cover is out, right? And after that, still, in order to make that easy uh, for the operation, so there's a cable connect the bottom and the cover. So in order to separate, we need to move the cable from one side and the others on the two side. So on the two, there's a three actually. I will show you next slides. So this is the first one, right? We need to move out. And the second one, so there's three, but that not make you confused because the cable is colored, so it's easy to remember when you move out and when you put it back. Just put back the same color. So this is the one and the white, and also this is a pink. So it's 1, 2, 3. You need to move out, and then this bottom and the cover can be separately like this. So after that, I carefully looked at everything almost, and I found this part, right? This is where the water come out. And on the right side, like a yellow, white, right? So this is like a container, the water tank. So actually how it works, so the water is kept in here, and then so when you push the washing, the water is come out from the tank, goes through the tube, and then go here, right? And then go out. So I focus on this part. You see there's a motor, small motor. So see this one is clearly, right? So this is one part what I did, and it controls, how much volume of water can be supplied from the tank to the washing, right, to out for the washing. And so here I moved out the model. I'll show you next slides. So especially this part, right? This is the motor covered here. I moved out by the screwdriver. You see here, so when the motor works, it rotates, it turn left, turn right. I saw inside how the water volume can be controlled. So I removed this part, and this is on the other side or the bottom of this part. So there's a black piece here, right? And then on this part, so this is underneath. So it means that move this part, right? And under this, you'll see is is here. It's black, like a piece of the disc. So the water is coming in here, and you'll see there's the size, right? The shape. And so in this case, the water can be controlled by the volume. So when this turn or rotate on the right direction, so it's a volume is from small, large, change, right? So this is how it control the water volume or the water pressure. So I also take out this disc, the black disc. So under this disc, you see this is the tube. The water come in and then out, for watching. I carefully looked at the disc. I found there's like inside in or the female, you know, uh, small part, and this is a two part. So this is the you see this disc, this black disc, and the white part. So here is a little bit like a male. So the female part and the male part combine, and so this make the disc and the black always tightly the same position. But you see, this is the other small, the black disc here, this one. So this is one can be rotated by the motor. So when this when this changed, oh, this rotates, it changes the position on the disk and changing the size of the hole from small to large. You'll see before the slides I show you. And then what I did, so I, you know, I think before the low water pressure issue, maybe something with this. Or it's not a, maybe some like this disk or this part is not in the same, like a male to female, the same, the right position, maybe moved out. So I put this back in this way, right? I put this back and fix using the screwdriver. And after that, so we need to decide because this is can be rotated by the motor. So what I did, I so this can manually move this on the left side. I I put this under like a 7 o'clock position and then put back the motor and everything put back and also put back the unit on the toilet and turn on the water and the power on the unit. So after self-checking and I checked the water pressure and everything is a works. It's no problem. So this is what I did. And so if you have the same issue, you may try, like what I did on the slides. And I hope this clearly. But if not, you may leave question, and I like to answer you. The purpose is that to show you what I did because I didn't find other useful information from the internet and either from the manufacturer. So that's it, and I hope uh, solve your issue and good luck. Thanks for watching this slides.